I'll share with you a quote from a very eminent scientist. He says all the scientific theories does not dictate that there has to be only 3 dimensions. Although we can't see with our eyes or feel with our fingers, additional dimensions of space are a logical possibility. Our senses register only 3 dimensions. So, extra dimension might sound incredible. Even the dimension in the world we are living, the earth planet we are living, in Hyderabad city what we are living, what we are seeing is not necessarily complete reality. Forget about where we have not gone. But our scriptures are saying that we cannot perceive the reality with our senses, because our senses, we all have 4 inherent defects. So with this limitation, inherent defects in our senses, will never be able to perceive the reality. So when we get spiritual knowledge, we understand how small, insignificant we are, coupled with humility. I am a small, insignificant jiva. I have limited sense perception. Can't even control myself. How can I control things? When that living entity develops that humility, surrenders to the Supreme Lord, surrenders to a bona fide spiritual master. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalake. We open our eyes with torch of knowledge, we are able to sense some bit of the reality.